Hello, good morning and welcome. It's start of a new week and it's the 11th of September. I took a trade on my New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. I came out of it on Friday and that gave me my 10, nearly, I think I've got 9.3% profit for the month. So I'm quite happy with that. And I've added a new pair in this session. So we'll be looking at a new pair, and I've taken out the Mexican peso. New Zealand dollar USA. We've seen a little bit of a rebound on this. It's come up, it's hit the 50, it's just back underneath it. The commercials have a short ratio of 2.4 to 1. It came down, this is a monthly turning point, this brown line here, it came down onto it. It's had a little bit of a comeback, hit the top Bollinger Band, and it's bounced back down off it. So I'm expecting this to follow through short now. So we'll see where it goes. Thank you. USD CAD unexpectedly had a big fall last week. Came down again onto a monthly turning point. This is, let me just see if I can find it and show it you. Yeah, that was there. It came down, it bounced off there and went up. I think that's about all there is. Let me just, monthly. There we go, that's better. Monthly. Yeah, okay, so that's about all there is. Let's just continue. Right, we're down below the 30.9. I'm waiting for this to actually make a break above. So you know, it's a good buying opportunity when it comes back. We've got a long ratio of 2.14 to 1. We've seen a bit of weakness on the oil, so I'll just put a trend line in there, and we'll wait and see if that comes back up and cuts through the trend line. USD Japanese yen. It's overshot where I got out and it's come back up. I think we're going to have a little bit of a bounce on this. I think we're going to have a little bit of a bounce. I'm out of it at the moment. We'll wait and see how that goes. Not getting back in it just yet. Euro GBP. We got in just under this turning point here, the brown turning point. In fact, I got in before that, but on the members centre, I was in all the way down here. We're falling off nicely this morning. We've come outside the trend lines. We are underneath the 50 on the RSI, which is nice. So we'll wait and see. But I'm expecting this to follow back down. About here is my first target, but you know, as far as I'm concerned, this should come all the way back down. Okay, nice trade if you can get it. AUD and Japanese yen. We came down nicely off the highs. This is a turning point, again, the brown line here, as is this one. We came back down. We entered into this slightly upwards sideways movement. We've had a little bit of a bounce, just above the 50 on the RSI, about 52. We have a short ratio of 7.3 to 1, which is pretty strong. That's one of the strongest on the commitment of traders this week. So we are expecting this to follow through short. So we're looking for weakness. If it pops up again to recent highs, I'll sell it back down. The pound Australian dollar. I haven't put the turning points in yet. This is a new one that I've popped up this morning, and we're well above the 50 and pointing upwards on the RSI. We have a long ratio of 6.4 to 1. That's the ratio on the commitment of traders. The commercials ratio of buy and sell. not buy and sell. Commercials ratio of long and short. Yeah. So the pound is long and the hour is short, and that gives us a ratio of 6.4 to 1. And we've got fairly stiff support underneath here, and we're going to bounce back up. So on the risk reward, I think it looks pretty good. And I say we're already above the 50 on the RSI. So we'll follow that this week and see how we go with that. Thank you, and hopefully see you tomorrow.